Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove the reposted videos on TikTok. So as you guys knew, there is a repost feature on TikTok where you can easily post someone videos in your account so that your friends can watch it. So if you want to remove it, you can just go to your profile, and here this is my profile, this is my video, and you need to click on this like repost icon with the arrow, two arrows in here. So these are the videos that I reposted, and what you need to do to delete it is just click on one of the video. For example, I'm going to remove this, and after that, here you can see I reposted this video, and what you need to do to unrepost or delete it is just click on the share button, and there will be this option to remove repost. Tap on that, and just like that, it has been removed from my reposted videos. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.